Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Bone Blossom. This unique plant is a highly sought-after, multi-harvest crop within the game, known for its exceptional value. It was introduced as a transcendent seed, quickly becoming more profitable than other popular plants, with a base sell value of around 180,000 shekels. The primary method to acquire Bone Blossom was through a special in-game event. Players had to complete Dino quests, which were offered as part of a limited-time prehistoric event. The Bone Blossom seed was the ultimate weekly reward, earned by engaging with the Blair non-player character at the event's central location. To successfully earn the Bone Blossom, players needed to complete a total of 21 Dino quests. These quests refreshed every 12 hours, presenting new challenges such as planting specific crops, harvesting produce, or crafting various items. Consistent effort over several days was essential to fill the weekly progress bar and claim this rare seed. It is important to note that the special event where Bone Blossom was originally available has now concluded. Therefore, it is no longer directly obtainable through the Dino quests. However, dedicated players might still find ways to acquire it, such as through player trading or by utilizing certain rare pet abilities that can sometimes yield seeds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.